Good day everyone, I am Cadet Ralph Fajardo and I am here to demonstrate to you on how to announce distress, urgency, and safety messages. Let's go! Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is MV Seaway. Call sign Bravo Charlie Echo Papa. MMSI 3524020001. Position at 34 degree 15 minutes north and 120 degree 40 minutes west. We are taking on water rapidly and are in immediate danger of sinking. Requesting urgent assistance, over. Pan. All station, all station, all station. This is 1405-11049. Motor vessel Seaway. Call sign Echo Papa Alpha Kilo. Position at 28 degree 25 minutes north and 92 degree 30 minutes west. We have experienced engine failure and are drifting in heavy sea. No immediate danger, but assistance is requested to tow us to the nearest point. Over. Security. All station, all station, all station. This is MV Seaway. Call sign Lima Golf Mikey Alpha. All ships in the area are advised that we are conducting underwater operation at 35 degree 10 minutes north and 118 degree 30 minutes west. Mariner are requested to reduce speed and keep a distance at least 500 meters, over.